Dirty air ducts can affect your health. If you have unexplained headaches, if you're sneezing or coughing, or if you just want to extend the life of your air conditioning unit, dirty air ducts are the enemy, and you need to call in the experts. First Priority Restoration Services is Florida's #1 choice for your air duct cleaning needs, proudly serving all of South Florida, including Naples and the Florida Keys. At First Priority, you'll receive great service at an affordable price. We also use special sanitizers and UV light to prevent future mold problems. We even perform complete mold tests for your safety as well. And we have a full line of green products available upon request. Our team of expert hygienists are standing by, ready to answer your call with dependable 24/7 service, fully licensed with all work 100% guaranteed. Plus, we're the leading mold test and remediation company as well, making us the ultimate one-stop shop for a healthy home. First Priority Restoration Services. Visit us at www.waterdamageorus.com or call 800-617-1112 and schedule your appointment today.